Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Vespa Fix and Fun. And today the topic that I'm going to show you is about how to inspect your brake shaft on rear brake system of your Vespa. Let's check it out. So, this clip we are going to describe and show you something about on the rear brake system here on the Vespa, because there are many things that you should know about servicings on your brake when you disassemble your rear wheel hub. This is the brake shaft of the Vespa engine from long time, since 60s, 70s. The brake system is quite similar, and also to Piaggio scooter system is quite common. And this area is the brake shaft of the rear brake. Even front brake is quite similar. The mechanism is very easy. There is a mechanism here to pull the brake, and it will spread up the brake shoes as I will show you. But now I have only one brake shoes on, but you can see it. When the brake shoe get pulled from the cable, it will shift up like this, and the shoes will spread up both up and down, and friction to the rear wheel hub, and the brake is performed. And as it's many times this shaft kick up, the shoes is gonna worn out, and if it worn out in some level, it will affect to your brake pedal to make it more space, or you have to push it deeper to get the brake the level that your scooter will be brake. And you may see, I'm going to make it focus nicely, the edge of it you can inspect by see here, right corner is the normal edge of the good shaft, while the left one is quite worn out a lot. And if I still drive this engine, I'm going to change the shaft, because the clearance when you push the brake is quite high now. And if you don't change it, you may have a problem. It's not big, but if you change it, the brake system will be more safe to use, and it will make your Vespa engine like in a good condition when you push the brake. To change it is not difficult. You just take out the dust cover out here, and there are one circuit lock, and you can pull out the system by take out this mechanism. And if you interest to change and you don't know before, I think there are a lot of video clip shows how to make, and you can also check on our Vespa engine service manual guide, engine overhaul, as in the description down below that I'll take a link for you. It's about the how to fix everything on the engine system here. Yeah, now you can see the left and the right edge of the shaft. So if you don't want to have a problem on the road, make your Vespa always like new condition, drive with confidence, just inspect your brake shaft drive condition. So I hope that this clip is useful for you, information how to inspect your brake shaft. And of course, don't forget to use the right grease on the brake job. As I show you, this is the most common worn part of the Vespa engine. So stay safe, thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.